This is 3.09, converting equations to slope-intercept form. So the first kind of problem you have is taking a line in standard form and changing it to slope-intercept form. So when I look at slope-intercept form, I have y on the left and x and b on the right. So I notice that I've got a lot of stuff with y that I need to get rid of. The easiest thing, remember when you're undoing, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, you want to get rid of that 2x first. So I'm going to rewrite my equation right here. And I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Now, there's nothing to combine with. So I'll have 4y equals negative 2x plus 24. Now I've got to get rid of this 4. So I'm going to divide the left by 4. And I'm going to divide the right by 4. So on the left it goes away. And I'm left with y. Negative 2 divided by 4 is just negative 1/2. X plus 24 divided by 4 is 6. And now I've got my y on the left, my number beside x, and my y-intercept. So I'm done with that one. Now it asks you, you've got different graphs here. We're going to look at this one on the left first. And it wants you to write the equation of the graph. So I know that I've got y equals mx plus b. I know that y stays where it's at, and x stays where it's at. And the only thing I've got to find is my m and my b. So I can look and find my b. That's my y-intercept. That's where it crosses this y-axis. And this one crosses right here at negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So I'm going to make this minus 3 for negative 3. Now I've got to find what goes here. That's the m, or my slope. So I'm going to look for another point on the line where it crosses. It looks like it crosses here or here. You could also do here. Any of those work. But I'm going to do rise over run. So I'm going to say, okay, rise is 1 over run, 1, 2. So the equation of this line is 1/2 x minus 3. Y equals 1/2 x minus 3. And now let's look at this one. I'm going to do the same thing. I've got y equals mx plus b, so I'm going to write y equals blank x plus b. We don't know what b is, so b is our y-intercept. It's where it crosses this y-axis. And it crosses right here at 0, 0. So that's 0. Now I'm going to find our slope. I see it crosses nicely here. So I can count my rise, 1, 2, and it runs 1. So 2 over 1. I could also write this as 2x. I don't have to have that plus 0. Okay. Last one. What do we know about this line? Y equals 3x minus 5. Well, I know right off the bat my slope and my y-intercept. My slope from this line is the one that is multiplied by x. It's a positive 3. Okay, so I can put positive over here as well. I know that about my line. And then it has a y-intercept of negative 5.